Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So in today's class we'll start our multiple choice questions from the chapter Geometry. Coming to the first question, observe the following. What is this? This is a table. Now in this column we are having our geometrical figures, that is the names of the figures, and in this column we are having the number of endpoints. Now from these figures we have to find out which pair is correctly matched. Like for example, if I am talking about angle is having 3 endpoints, or here if I talk about ray is having 2 endpoints. Now what does a ray look like? This is a ray. Yes, this is a ray. How many endpoints does ray have? Ray has only one endpoint. Ray has only one endpoint. So is this correct? Ray is having 2 endpoints? No, this is wrong. Next, line segment. What is a line segment, children? Sorry. Yes, this is a line segment. Now how many endpoints does our line segment have? A line segment has 2 endpoints. Now here it is said that the line segment has one endpoint. Again this is wrong. Now coming to line, what does a line look like? See, this is a line. Yes, so our does line have any endpoints? No. Line can be extended on both the sides, so it has no endpoints. Yes, so here also it is said that the number of endpoints of a line are 0. Yes, this is the correct pair. What is the correct pair here? A line has 0 endpoints. And what is the alphabet representing it? P. So P is correctly matched. That is our option C. Coming to question 2, find the correct match from the following. Again here children, the first one is line segment PQ. Line segment PQ. And here the name is also PQ, but if you look at above our PQ, what is the symbol? See, this is the symbol. Is this a line segment or a line? This is the symbol we use to represent lines. So what is this? Here it is line segment PQ, but what have we written? We have written it as line PQ. Is this correct? No. Coming to option B, line PQ. Here we have line PQ, and even here we have PQ, and upon that we are having the line symbol. Yes, so both the sides are the same. This is our correct pair. So option B becomes our correct answer. Question 3. Which of these is formed when two rays emerge from a common endpoint? From a common endpoint. So let us write an endpoint. From this endpoint, what should we do? We want two rays to emerge. So one ray and another ray. Yes. Now when this happens, what is happening here? Two rays are emerging from a common endpoint. So what is formed? Is line formed? Is ray formed? Is it a line segment? Or we can find an angle here. Angle, children. Yes, when two rays emerge from the common endpoint, they form an angle. So option D, angle becomes our correct answer. Question 4. The common endpoint where, which of the following is true? Now from these 4 statements, we have to find out the statement that is true. First one, the common endpoint where two rays meet is called as ray. See, suppose these are our two rays, these two are meeting at our common endpoint A. Now what is this called as? Is this A called as ray? No, it is called as the vertex. Yes, so statement A is false. Coming to statement B, angles are measured using compasses. We have learnt about measurement of angles. What is the geometrical instrument we use for measuring angles? It is a protractor. Yes, so here it is said that angles are measured using compasses, so it is false. Coming to statement C, a line segment can extend indefinitely on both the sides. Again children, what is this? A line segment. What is the line segment? This is a line segment. A line segment is having two endpoints. Two endpoints. Can it extend indefinitely on both the sides? No, it cannot extend. It has a fixed length. So again, statement C is also false. Now coming to last statement D, The common endpoint where two rays meet is called as the vertex. Again, see, these two rays are meeting at our common point A. What is A called? A is called as the vertex of it. Yes, so this is the correct statement. The common point here is called as the vertex. So statement D is true. Question 5. Name the angle which measures between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So what does this mean? The angle should be between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So will it be an obtuse, acute, right or a straight angle, children? It is smaller than 90 degrees. Remember, it is in between 0 and 90. That means it is smaller than 90 degrees. What did I say? Smaller than 90 degrees. Acute angle. It becomes an acute angle. Yes. Question 6. Which of the following angles measures 90 degrees? Now, which angle measures 90 degrees, children? Is it a right angle, acute angle, straight angle, or an obtuse angle? It is a right angle. So, the L-shaped angle is called as right angle. And what is the measure of this angle, children? This angle is always equal to 90 degrees. So, right angle becomes our answer here. Question 7. Identify the zero angle from the following. So what is this? The angle formed is equal to 0. If you look at option A and option B, these both are our acute angles. Our acute angles, they are lying between 0 and 90 degrees. 0 and 90 degrees. So option A and B become our acute angles. Even if you look at, remember the protractor, children, where do we have 0 degrees? Here we have 0 degrees at the bottom on the straight line. So this a straight line here is nothing but this ray is having 0 degrees as our answer. Which is having 0 angle, children? Option C. Why not option D? Because if you look at option D, here it is saying that the angle, we have to measure the angle from this point to this point. It is a complete circle. It is forming a complete circle. So when that means it is a complete angle. When we have a complete angle like this, its measure is equal to 360 degrees. Yes, for right angle. For the L-shaped angles, the angle is equal to 90 degrees. Yes, so in the same way, for a complete angle, the measure is equal to 360 degrees. So for option D, the angle becomes 360 degrees. Whereas for option C, here we are having only a single ray. We are having only a single ray. So this is the base vertex, and also this is only the vertex where we will measure our angle. Yes or no? So this is pointing at 0 degrees. This will point at 0 degrees. So option C is having the 0 angle from the following, children. So even in future, if you get a question like this, identify the 0 angle, it will be a single ray. But don't get confused it with the straight angle. If we are having two rays like this which are going in opposite directions from the vertex, then this will be the angle formed, children. This will be the angle formed, and its angle will be equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. When you are having only a single ray, its value is equal to 0 degrees. Yes, when you have a straight line, it is 180 degrees. When you have only a single ray, it is 0 degrees. So option C becomes our correct answer. Question 8. What is the measure of a complete angle? Just now we have discussed. See here, this is a complete angle. So the measure of complete angle is equal to 360 degrees. Now is it two right angles? What is the value of one right angle? 90 degrees. So 2 into 90 is equal to 180. Is this correct? No. Next, two straight angles. Again, just now we have discussed that a straight angle is equal to 180 degrees. So let us see, 2 into 180 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Yes, so option B becomes our correct answer. One complete angle is nothing but two straight angles. Question 9. Which angle is equivalent to 4 right angles? 4 right angles. So 4 into, what is the value of a right angle, children? Measure of right angle? 90 degrees. So 4 into 90 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Now a 360 degree is called as what? Is it a straight angle, reflex angle, acute angle, or a complete angle? It is a complete angle. 360 degrees is a complete angle. So option D becomes our correct answer. See, a complete angle is equal to what? It is equal to two straight angles. If you are talking in terms of straight angles, it is equal to two straight angles, or else it is also equal to our four right angles. Question 10. Which instrument is used to measure or construct angles? Is this a compass, scale, protractor, or set squares, children? It is our protractor. Yes, option C, protractor. It is a D-shaped semicircle. Yes or no? So we use our protractor to measure and also to construct angles. Question 11. How many rays can be drawn from a given point? So let us keep a point O and try drawing rays. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, like this, children. So how many rays can you draw? Is it 0, 1, 2, or infinitely many? It's not 0, as we have drawn many here. Again, it's not 1. We have drawn more than one rays here. Again, it's not also 2. We have drawn more than 2. So what is the correct answer? Option D becomes our correct answer. How many rays can we draw from a given point? We can draw infinitely many rays. We cannot count. We can draw as many rays as possible from a given point. So D becomes our correct answer. Question 12. What type of an angle is formed between the hands of a clock when it is 3 o'clock? So when it is 3 o'clock, have you observed the time, children? How will it look when it is 3 o'clock? It would be like this. It will be like this. Yes. So what is the angle formed here? By seeing itself, we can say that it is an L-shaped angle. It is an L-shaped angle. So an L-shaped angle is what? Is it an obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, or acute angle? It is a right angle. So option B becomes our correct answer. Question 13. At which of these times an acute angle is formed between the hands of a clock? Now what is this acute angle? Acute angle is the angle that is less than 90 degrees. Yes, that it lies between 0 and 90 degrees. So let us look at the first one, 520. Let us write the numbers first. Okay, 520 means how much, children? It would be here. This will be the center point, and this is, yes. So this is nothing but 520. Now look at this. Is it an acute angle? Yes, it is an acute angle. Why? Because it is less than our 90 degrees. If you remember the right angle tester, see, this would be our right angle tester. Yes, it is less than our right angle. So the angle thus formed here when the time is 520 becomes acute angle. If you want, let us check the other ones. What is the next one option? Option B is 335. So 335, 7, 8. So 335. So when we are talking about 335, is it an, it is, what is it? It is an obtuse angle. It is greater than our right angle. This would have been our right angle, but it is greater than our right angle. So it becomes an obtuse angle. Now coming to 9 o'clock. This will be our 9 o'clock. What is this? This is a right angle. So again C is wrong. Now coming to the last one, that is 6 p.m. What is it, children? It will be something like this. So this is a straight angle. It is forming a straight line. So it is a straight angle. Our correct option is option A, 5:20 p.m. When the time is 5:20 p.m., the angle formed between the hands of a clock is an acute angle. Question 14. Observe the given figure. How many angles are formed in it? How many angles are formed? We have angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. How many angles are formed? 4. So option A, 4 becomes the right answer. Question 15. Identify the vertex of the angle given in the figure. What should we find out? We have to find out the vertex. What is the vertex, children? It is the common end point of both the rays. What is the common end point? O is the common end point. So option B, O becomes the vertex of our given angle. Yes? Question 16. Observe the given angle. Identify the arms of angle PRQ. This is our angle PRQ. So what are the arms? Arms are the rays. Yes, so what are the rays here? Ray RP and then ray RQ. What are the rays here? Ray RP. Don't forget to put the ray symbol. Ray RQ. So what are the arms of our angle PRQ? RP and RQ. So option A and option B. Ray RP and ray RQ. Both option A and B. That is nothing but our D. Option D. Both A and B are the arms of the given angle. Question 17. How many pairs of parallel lines are there in the given figure? What are parallel lines, children? See, parallel lines. Yes, you are having this word parallel. Now look at these two alphabets, L and L. They are like this. Yes, so whenever you are finding two lines which are opposite to each other and they do not meet, just like these two L's in the word parallel, when you find two lines like this, they are called as a pair of parallel lines. Is this clear, children? See, PARALLEL. So when you find two lines which are like this, so then they are called as parallel lines. Parallel lines do not meet each other. So how many pair of parallel lines do we have? See, this is a pair of parallel line and this is a pair of parallel line. So how many pairs do we have? Two pairs. Pair 1, pair 2. So option B, 2 becomes our correct answer. Question 18. Identify the figure with only one pair of parallel lines, children. Only one pair of parallel lines. So again, what is this? See, if you look at option A, it is a square. We are having, this is one pair and this will be another pair of parallel lines. Yes. Now next, option B, this is one pair of parallel lines and this is another pair of parallel lines. When you look at option C, this is one pair of parallel lines. Now coming to the other pair of lines, I am drawing along the lines. See, are these two lines intersecting here? These two are crossing each other's path. The other two lines will cross their path when they are extended. See, children, I am extending this line in the same way. This is a line. Yes, I am extending it in the same direction as given. So when I extend, I am seeing that these two lines are crossing each other. So when the lines cross each other, they are not called as parallel lines. They are called as intersecting lines. INTER, inter, SECTING. Intersecting lines. Is this clear, children? So whenever you are having two lines which will cross their path, they are called as intersecting lines. See, if you look at these two, no matter how much I extend the lines, they will not meet at any point. They will not meet at any point. So this is having, option C is having only one pair of parallel lines. The other pair of lines are intersecting lines. So what will be our correct answer? The figure in option C is having only one pair of parallel lines. So option C is our answer. Question 19. Observe the given figure. What is the measure of angle AOB? So what is given here, children? The angle BOC. That complete angle BOC is equal to, angle BOC is equal to how much? 134 degrees. Yes, this is clear, right? The complete angle is equal to 134 degrees. Now this angle is made up of two parts. Again, it can be divided into two angles. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Yes or no? Yes. So what are these angles? Angle BOC is equal to, again it is made up of two. What are they? Angle BOA or angle AOB. Let us write it as angle AOB plus, what is the other angle here? This one, angle AOC. Is this clear, children? Our angle BOC is made up of two angles, the angle AOB and the angle AOC. Now what is the value of AOB? What is the value of angle AOB? We do not know what is the value of angle AOB. We are finding it out. But for angle AOC, we know that it is a right angle. What do we know? We know that it is a right angle. So what is the value of right angle, children? The value of right angle is equal to 90 degrees. So instead of writing angle OC, we will write it as 90 degrees. Now what was on the left side? Angle BOC. Now angle BOC is equal to angle AOB plus 90 degrees. Now what is the value of angle BOC? It is already given in the question. It is given that angle BOC is equal to 134 degrees. Angle BOC is equal to angle AOB plus 90 degrees. From the question we know that angle BOC is equal to 134 degrees. So 134 degrees is equal to, we do not know the value of AOB, plus 90 degrees. Now we want to find out the value of angle AOB. So to find out, we will send our 90 degrees to the other side. So when it goes to the other side, it is in addition. When it goes to the other side, it becomes subtraction. So 134 minus 90 degrees is equal to, what is there on this side, children? We have already taken 90 degrees to the other side. So we are left with only angle AOB. So 134 minus 90 degrees. 4 minus 0, 4. 3 minus 9 is not possible, borrowing. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. So 44 degrees is equal to angle AOB. What is the value of AOB, children? Angle AOB is equal to 44 degrees. I hope this is clear. Our answer is option A, 44 degrees. Yes, I hope you have understood how you solve this problem. The complete angle is made up of two small angles. So with the help of those values, we have found out the value of our angle AOB. Question 20. Which of these is a set of points equidistant from a fixed point in a plane? So what is this plane? Plane is the large area. Okay, so on a plane, we want a set of points equidistant. Equidistant means of equal distance. Of equal distance from a fixed point. So we are having a fixed point, children. So from this point, if you want, you take a scale. Okay, so keep your scale like this and measure, say, 3 centimeters. So mark a point here. Now again, move the scale a little bit up. Again measure 3 centimeters and mark a point. So like this, measure 3 centimeters and mark the points. Mark points around this center. Mark points around this center which have to be of equal distance. The distance should be the same. It should be 3 centimeters only. Or if you are taking 4 centimeters, it should be 4 centimeters only. So when we draw or when we place points like this and when we join all these points together, what is formed here? We form a circle. So what is the answer? A set of points equidistant from a fixed point. This point is fixed in the center. Yes. So from the fixed point is called as a circle. That is option C. Question 21. Which segment joins the center of the circle to the point on it? So this is our center of circle. So from the center of circle I am joining the circle to center of circle to a point on it. So I am joining it to a point on the circle. So what is this called as? OA, from the center to a point on the circle. It is called as radius. Yes, so option B is our correct answer. Question 22. Which of these is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle? So I am having any 2 points on the circle and I am joining. So what is this called as? This will be called as my chord. Yes. So option A, chord, becomes our answer. Next question 23. Which instrument is used to draw circle? So to draw circles, what do we use? Do we use ruler, compass, set squares or protractor? We use option B, compass, children. You might have seen in your geometry box. Yes, so you will be having an instrument like this. We'll place our pencil here in this, and then with the help of this instrument, that is compass, we can draw circles of different sizes, children. You will get perfect circles. See, if I want to draw circle by hand, it might not be very perfect. So with the help of compass, we draw circles. Question 24. Which is the longest chord of the circle? We've already discussed. What is this? The longest chord of the circle is always a diameter. That is option C. Yes. Now coming to the last question for today. Question 25. What is the perimeter of a circle named as? What is the perimeter of a circle? Perimeter means the length of boundary. The length of boundary of a circle is called as what? Is it a diameter, semicircle, radius or a circumference? Yes, it is circumference. Option D becomes our correct answer. Okay children, what is the perimeter of a circle named as? It is named as the circle. Visit our website www.aimstoday.in for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, DIY activities, English classes and coding. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.